Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang top 5 altcoins daw dito na may potensyal na ito ay lumago ng 30 times. Kaya yan, sa video ito ay kilalanin po natin yung mga top 5 na altcoins na ito. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, ang sabi po rito ay the cryptocurrency market shows a lot of promise and we have spotlighted a list of 5 altcoins with the potential to surge 30 times in the future according to a top market analyst. Kaya yan, base po ito sa isang kilalang market analyst. 5 or 5 na altcoins na may potential daw na posibleng magkaroon ng surge ng 30 times sa kanilang presyo. With its global market cap currently sitting at $1.79 trillion, the broader cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stage despite the gains that some investors have amassed since Bitcoin went mainstream. Seasoned in now, new participants anticipate a more substantial growth in the market, with several analysts looking to multiple altcoins for this growth. Recently, Dusty BC, a crypto educator and prominent YouTuber, curated a list of 5 altcoins he believes could rally 30 times in the coming years. Kaya yan yung isa pong kilalang crypto educator at saka prominent YouTuber ang naglabas po sa 5 altcoins na ito kung saan ay naniniwala po siya na ito ay posibleng magkaroon ng 30 times na rally dito sa paparating na mga taon. At yan po ay walang iba kundi si Dusty BC. Yan, yung unang-una po sa kanyang listahan ay syempre ito si XRP. Sabi niya rito ay XRP has been an underperformer this market cycle. The asset is down by 14.9% this year despite a mild uptick on the back of the latest market rally. XRP has also collapsed 84% from its all-time high price of $3.3. While this reality triggers concern for some investors, others have found a silver lining. Notably, some market watchers see XRP as one of the most undervalued asset in the market. As a result, the asset has massive potential for growth. Industry commentators who told this belief cite XRP's utility in cross-border payments among other features. However, XRP has been on a downward slope since collapsing from 0.70 high on December 9, 2023. The crypto asset slumped to a 3-month low of 0.4855 on January 31 and has since been looking to engineer a comeback. Currently trading for 0.5230, analysts believe XRP could potentially hit higher price target including $22. Kaya yan, alam naman po siguro natin ang naging previous performance ni XRP at maging yung kanyang kalagayan ngayon. Siya po ay nag-underperform or hindi po maganda yung kanyang naging performance lalong-lalo na nitong previous market cycle. At syempre dahil po sa kanyang hindi pinakitang hindi magandang performance ay marami na pong mga nadi-disappoint sa kanya. Pero yan, ayon po dito kay Dusty BC ay naniniwala po siya na si XRP ay meron po siyang kakayahan na sa hinaharap ay magpapakita po ito ng magandang performance. Mag-i-engineer daw po siya ng isang comeback. Yan, yung kanyang pagbabalik or pagbangon ay talagang isang kahanga-hanga. At ayon pa sa kanya ay naniniwala po siya na si XRP ay posible po niyang akyatin ang napakataas na price target na posibleng umabot po sa $22. Kaya yan, ang taas po niyan. Yan, sunod po kay XRP ay itong si IOTA. Yan, IOTA or IOTA. The blockchain tailored for the Internet of Things. Yan, IoT has continued to advance in the industry, and its native token IOTA is poised to benefit from this progress. The team behind the project recently spotlighted their upcoming IOTA 2.0 smart contracts. Kaya yan po si IOTA, isa po siyang blockchain para sa Internet of Things. Kaya yan, yung native token po niya ay IOTA. Yan. At syempre sa tuloy-tuloy lamang na advancement ng blockchain na ito ay syempre ang magbe-benefit po rito ay ang kanyang native token na IOTA. Yan, say goodbye to inefficient paper-based process and hello to immutable digital records with IOTA 2.0's smart contracts, reducing the risk of error and fraud. Kaya yan, meron po kasi silang ilalabas na IOTA 2.0 smart contracts. Amid the sustained progress, the project's native token has made some noteworthy movements. The crypto asset recorded multiple losses in October 2023 as the broader crypto market exhibited a lack of strength. Yan, nakaranas daw po itong si IoT ng ilang mga losses nitong nakalipas na taong 2023, lalo na nitong buwan ng October. However, IOTA leveraged the market resurgence that ensued in the last quarter of the previous year to recover most of these losses, soaring 146% from its low in October 2023 to an 18-month high of 0.3721 in December 2023. Kaya yan, naka-recover naman daw po siya sa kanyang losses na ito. At umangat po siya mula sa kanyang mababang presyo noong October 2023 ng 146%. Kaya yan, nagkaroon po ito ng mataas na presyo na umaabot po sa 0.3721 noong December 2023. Despite slumping by over 22% in January, IOTA changes hands at a 12-month high of 0.2559, underscoring its resilience. At its current price, the crypto asset boasts a market cap of $802.4 million. A market cap below $1 billion indicates that the asset has more room for growth, and this growth could lead to massive price surges. Kaya yan. Sabi niya rito ay yung kanyang market cap ay yan, below $1 billion. Kaya nagpapakita ramang po ito na may posibilidad pa siya na magkaroon siyang matitinding paglago sa kanyang presyo. Yan, sunod naman, ang pangatlo natin dito ay si Chainlink or Link. Chainlink has caught the eye in recent times due to its unique bullish position amid market turbulence. Notably, Link has built a reputation of surging with the market but consolidating when the market enters a bearish phase, leading to declines across the board. Kaya yan, meron daw po kasing kakaibang bullish position itong si Chainlink. Kung pag nagkakaroon po ng nakakaranas po ng bearish market, itong si Link ay nag-consolidate lamang daw po siya. Kaya ayan, pero kung pag bullish naman ay matindi po yung kanyang ipinapakitang performance. Whether the broader market witnessed an uptrend in fourth quarter 2023, Chainlink leveraged this uptrend to skyrocket 205% from September to a high of $17.7 in December 2023, making it one of the biggest gainers during the market resurgence. Kaya yan po yung nakalipas na napakagandang ipinakita na performance ni Chainlink. Siya po ay nag-skyrocket ng 205% nitong nakalipas na buwan ng September. Ayan, at umangat po siya sa mataas na presyo na $17.7 nitong December 2023. Kaya ayan, nakasali po siya, nakabilang po siya sa mga biggest gainer. Ayan, nung nagkaroon ng market resurgence dito. While the crypto market faced some bearish pressure a few days into the new year, Chainlink showed resilience. Most mainstream assets shed off some of their gains by the end of January, but Link recorded a 3% upsurge, closing the month above the $15 price mark. Kaya yan, nung nagkaroon daw po ng bearish pressure ang buong crypto market, halos karamihan po ng mga cryptos ay nakaranas ng kanilang pagbagsak. Pero pagdating po rito kay Link ay kahit na nakaranas rin po siya, or yan, nakaranas rin po siya ng bearish pressure, ay nagawa pa rin po niyang makapagbigay ng 3% na upsurge. Kaya ayan, the bullish momentum spilled into February, with Chainlink already up by 22% this month and a massive whale accumulation. The token aims to seal its position above $19 price. Due to its bullish moves, analysts see Link as an asset with a potential 30 times growth. Kaya yan po si Link. At natatandaan ko na meron po akong na-content dito kay Chainlink na marami po talagang nagkaka-interest dito ng mga whales or mga malalaking investors. At sila po ay tuloy-tuloy lamang sa kanilang pag-a-accumulate ng kanilang Link. Yan, sunod po kay Chainlink ay itong si VeChain. The VeChain protocol aims to facilitate the enhancement of the supply chain using blockchain technology. The project has made significant strides in this goal, but its mission is far from complete. Notably, VeChain team recently announced a 300 million transaction milestone reached with Walmart. They also revealed that their achievements now include tracking 100% of leather goods from French luxury fashion giant Givenchy, as well as other leading firms. Ayan po yung kanilang, meron po kasi silang partnership dito kay Walmart. At kamakailan lamang ay nagkaroon po sila ng isang milestone kung saan ay umaabot na po yung kanilang transaction ng 300 million. Ayan. Ito po yung actual na tweet ng VeChain. As the protocol continues to demonstrate real-world use cases for blockchain, its native token VET has been positioned by analysts to leverage this growing adoption for outstanding price growth. VET has been one of the best performing asset recently, up by 88% from last September. Kaya yan, kabilang po itong si VeChain or VET sa best performing assets nitong nakalipas na mga buwan. Particular po nitong nakalipas na buwan ng September. Yan, sapagkat nagbigay po siya ng gain na 88%. The crypto token dropped 17.74% in January, but is looking to take advantage of the latest market rally to recover these losses. VET has now gained 5% this month as it changes hands at 0.02968, with market watchers setting up to targets to ambitious price such as $3. Yan. At sunod naman ay si Multiverse or EGLD. As a blockchain, Multiverse X aims to address the limitations of traditional blockchain networks. The protocol caters to builders of next-gen applications. With significant progress made in its journey, the project has gained prominence, leading to increased publicity for its native token EGLD. Amid this growing publicity, analysts have set their eyes on the asset, presenting it as an altcoin with immense potential. EGLD tanked with the rest of the market in January, following a stellar performance from October to December 2023. The asset rallied 207% from $25.36 in October 2023 to a high of $78 in December 2023. Despite facing stern resistance at the $78 top, EGLD held up quite well. January came with its bearishness, wiping out 21% of its value. However, the token is now seeking to reclaim its previous high. EGLD is up by 6.49% this month, currently changing hands at a 15-month high of $56.65. With several projects building on Multiverse X, the demand for EGLD as the network's native token is set to skyrocket. This reality has prompted the bullish projection surrounding the asset. Kaya yan, ngayon ay marami raw pong nagkaka-interest kasi na mag-build dito sa Multiverse X. Dahil po rito ay nagkakaroon ito ng demand. At syempre kung pag may demand ay ang impact po nito sa kanyang native token ay kukulangin yung supply, kaya tataas yung kanyang presyo. Kaya yan po si Multiverse X or EGLD. Yan po yung mga top 5. Yan, base po kay yan sa isang analyst na nakapagbigay dito na posible daw po silang magkaroon ng 30 times na paglago sa kanilang presyo. Yan pong muli si Multiverse X, EGLD, at nandito naman si VeChain or VET, at saka si Chainlink or Link, at nandito naman si IOTA. Yan. At syempre nandito naman si XRP. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay paki-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Paki-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood, ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.